Okay, another busy day. Basically up midday till 2, BBC back shift. I've also got to finish off my prep for the Airdrie game tomorrow. Anything else? Oh yeah, my mum and sister are coming down. Sister's getting married next year, so we've been dress shopping. Nothing to do with me, but thought that might be of interest. Okay, gotta go!
Weather's a bit keek, okay, so it's not great, but I still want to try and do something on the way home, so I'm using my phone here. I've got these in, so hopefully this mic's recording. So this is just a test to see what it's like, the audio's like on the phone. Basically it's going to start raining. I don't want to have the GoPro in my hand all the way home. Don't want to ruin it, can't afford to buy a new one. Hi, okay, so that's another day done. Really enjoyable day at BBC again, doing Fisker on BBC Radio and Gale with Katrina Lexi Campbell. Really good laugh today, really good fun listening to her stories and all about today's news. Then I did my news shift at the BBC. Again I was doing camera with Michael McNeil at the SMP conference. I didn't take this with me again, I just felt it was a bit intrusive. I know, I need to really give myself a kick up the backside and really push boundaries like I was saying yesterday. I did however see a legend today, someone who actually inspired me to start vlogging and just to start being a bit more creative. I've been freelance now for over a year and 3-4 months, and I met Jackie McAlpine at the BBC a couple of months ago, and she was suggesting vlogging, trying my hand at vlogging. So I bought a MacBook, bought this vlogging setup, had the GoPro anyway, bought the case, I bought the mic and the wee cable and the stand, additional batteries, some cards and stuff. So I'm vlogging now. So Jackie, thank you very much for inspiring me to vlogging and to being a bit more creative. Really enjoying it so far, learning all the time. So thanks. And I'm going to stop right now, go on a wee bit, and I'll think of a Gaelic phrase for today. Actually, just a wee side note, I carried on talking there when there was a cyclist coming, so maybe I'm getting used to this vlogging. Maybe, we'll see. Right, okay, so Claire and I went to Marbella in August to Nandy's wedding, which was great. Arguably the best wedding we've been to. It's okay I can say that, because Claire said that as well. Everything was brilliant as well in Skye with their loved ones and families. So before we went to Marbella, we tried to learn some Spanish. So I was doing it through Coffee Break Español on Spotify, podcasts every day. And they were saying best way to learn is basically use everyday phrases. So another everyday phrase for Gaelic is pretty common, you might have heard it. It's along the same vein as Diatol. It's Kayamar Ahau. Kimmer Ahau. That basically means how are you? Kimmer Ahau. That'll do for today. So I think that's now today's vlog concluded.